Twisted Big D here. Welcome back, subscribers. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button. We're going to continue our trip to PA, starting now. Well, good morning. It was early. I'm not that big of a morning person. I just woke up. About to get this day started. Go in the store, brush my teeth, use the bathroom, do a pre-trip of the truck, walk around it, you know, check everything out, and then we'll be safe to roll. Start our day off running. stopped over here in Valley Grove for a 30-minute break. Let's go in, use the restroom, do some window shopping. I got my food in the microwave, it's cooking. By the time I get back from the restroom and window shopping, it'll be done. Trick to going window shopping is leave your wallet in the truck so you don't end up buying everything in there. Alright, so what I'm going to eat today is the Hormel Complete Extra Large for an extra large guy. It's a little meal right here. It's pretty good. 21 grams of protein. I don't know. I'm not a health food person. Got it up there in the trusty microwave. Pull it out. Little tray. Doesn't have to be refrigerated. From first appearance, it don't look good. Let's turn this. It just looks like a meat patty over here, but there's some mashed potatoes, and it has gravy, and you just chop that stuff up and eat it. It's real good. But this is what I'm eating today. Save money over the road, you know. Really good. Could use some salt. Probably not good for you, so I'm just gonna eat it like this. But if you like a lot of salt, get you a salt shaker, fill it up, pepper on it. Good stuff. You know how a lot of food's bland that comes like this because they don't want to over salt it and then no one buy it, so what they do is they kind of make it kind of bland, and then you can add your own stuff. Sometimes I get to keep those little packages from Papa's, the little seasoned salt stuff they have. Open that package up, sprinkle it on top. Now we're talking. That's good stuff when they do that. You're really talking about some good meals when you're doing that. You know what they say about white people, our food's bland. So my food, I don't really want it bland, so I put some spices in it. Alright, that's gonna be it for the break. I'm gonna finish eating. We're gonna hit the road, Jack. Well, we drove pretty far today, about another 500 miles or so, getting some fuel for the truck again. And we're gonna park for the night. Hopefully tomorrow the roads are still good, so I don't know. They got a forecast for snow coming up, so we might be driving on some snow, but we'll see what happens. We're at a Flying J over here, and we're probably gonna go get some showers after we park and call it a night from there. I'll be checking back in with y'all. Let me fill this truck. I'll be back. It's shower day. $116. My shower's ready. Shower 11. Shower 11. The number on the screen. He didn't know where to find his number, even though I showed him last time. But it's been a while, so. A lovely shower. It's a lot better than the shower I showed y'all last time. Next time you see me, I'm gonna be all fresh and clean. To all the people that thought I was bringing you in here to watch me shower, you were wrong. I'm a prude. Sorry. Maybe next time. All right, everybody see these things hanging over here? These are how you used to heat and cool your truck. It's cheaper than idling. You run it down into your truck window. Blows air in there. It's pretty crazy. That's like before I was truck driving, so you know, I never used them. Prime is nice to me, and they put APUs in there, you know, so never had to use one. But you pretty much just put them in the windows and call that number over there, and they start pumping the hot and cold air in your truck. Keep you hot or cold, whatever you need. Pretty wild, isn't it? Well, we finished our day for the day. It was an uneventful day. After our break, we hit some traffic on the 70, so it kind of slowed us down. Other than that, it was pretty peaceful, and my student did great. Last night, I got a comment on my video last night from Ronnie Roberts. Man, I appreciate that comment. He said he liked the video. Then we messaged back and forth, and he said, I just like trucking videos because my dad was driving for 30 years and he passed away from cancer, so I just like watching trucking videos. Well, that's I was like, wow. So my video is helping him. Whenever I was about, I don't know how old I was, like 26, my dad died from I was probably younger than that. I was probably like 23. But anyways, my dad, he passed away from heart failure pretty much, and he was 50 years old. So
we worked at the same place. I was a correctional officer, followed in his footsteps, you know, and I was in corrections. Well, we worked at the same unit, so every time I would walk through the halls of Montford in Lubbock, Texas, that's the name of the unit, the Montford unit, I'd be like, man, I seen my dad right here, and he smiled at me right here in this hallway. You know, we didn't have a close relationship until about the time he passed away, because I guess he felt like I was a pretty bad person back then, we'll just say that. He thought I was going to end up in prison, not working in a prison. So he was kind of proud of that before he passed away. But working in that prison, I would think sometimes for a while, hey, my dad used to work right here. My dad walked down this hallway. You know, it's kind of helpful, you know, working there. And then I got to talk to his old co-workers and stuff like that. They were all great people, and they had nothing bad to say about them. So I kind of see where you're coming from, Ronnie. So keep watching the videos, Ronnie. All right, I'm out for the night. I'm going to bed. Thank everybody for watching this video and the last one. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't. Everybody that's been subscribers, y'all are doing awesome. So good night. See you in the morning.